Welcome to the Online Candidate Admission Platform, IRK, at Krakow University of Economics. The recruitment for first cycle, bachelor's degree, programs is carried out in two stages. The first is online registration, in the Online Candidate Admission Platform, and the second is submission of documents in person. Before the beginning of the recruitment process, please follow the information provided on our recruitment website, study.uek.krakow.pl. In this video, we will walk you through the first stage of the recruitment process, online registration. Here we go. To begin the registration process, go to our recruitment website, irk.uek.krakow.pl, and select the recruitment for first cycle, bachelor, program. Remember that we conduct separate recruitments for full-time and part-time studies, for Polish citizens and foreigners. After selecting the recruitment, the start page will appear with information about the recruitment process. Read it carefully. Select the Create an Account option in the top right corner. Read and accept the RODO clause and click the Continue button. You will be redirected to a page where you can create an account. Fill in your details. Enter your current email address and set a password for your account, then select Create Account button. An account activation link will be sent to your email address. Activate your account by clicking on the link and log in with the provided email and password. It's time to complete your personal information on the My Account page. Go to the Personal Forms, Basic Personal Data tab and fill in your personal information. If you have a PESEL number, fulfill it in the system, as it is very important for the remaining stages of recruitment and study. Save it. In the International Candidate tab, select the document you have. Make sure you complete all required tabs. In the Photo tab, read the guidelines for the photo and upload it to the system by selecting the Choose File option. Save the photo and check if it is correctly cropped. Uploading the photo to the system is mandatory, as it must be printed on the personal questionnaire at the second step of the process, and will be used for the student ID card. The uploaded photo must be approved by a member of the teaching department. It will appear for the administrator's approval only after you have enrolled in your major, so don't delay uploading it and choosing your major until the last minute. Go to the Education tab and fill in the details about your secondary school. Save it. Below, add a document on your secondary education. Fill in the information from your high school diploma. Then save and return. Use the Edit option, which will allow you to upload scans of your certificate, transcript, and maturity exam results. The uploaded documents will be verified. After completing the information and attaching the document, go to the Edit Exam Results tab. In this section, fill out only the first column, that is, select the subjects you took in high school. After selecting the subjects, save your changes to apply for programs. Important: if the documents were issued in member states of the European Union, OECD, EFTA, Ukraine or China, the results will be converted to the Polish grading scale. Admission points will be entered by a staff member of the unit for teaching administration in the Edit Exam Results tab. If your diploma was issued outside the European Union, OECD, EFTA, Ukraine or China, you will be qualified for the entrance exam. The result will be posted on your IRK account after the exam is completed. Remember not to change the entered results, as they form the basis for further qualification for your field of study. Use the Offer tab to select the field of study that you are interested in. Here you can find the rules of recruitment and a description of the program. Click the Sign Up button. Then read and accept the information clause. Select the document that qualifies you for admission and your source of funding. If the information about the entrance exam applies to you, select it now. If not, skip it and continue. The system will ask you to upload your passport. Attach the page with your photo. If the process went correctly, you would see the appropriate message. Remember that for full-time studies you can choose a maximum of 3 majors, and for part-time studies an unlimited number. Selected majors will appear under My Account, Enrollment Applications tab. Here you can also find the Set Priorities button, with which you can change the priority of majors, up to the last day of the recruitment process. It is important that the majors are ordered according to your individual priorities, from the most important to the least important one. Go to the Payments tab, where you will find your individual account number for payment of the enrollment fee. If you choose more than one major program, the system will give you the amount which you can pay in one transfer to the account provided. Remember that only the enrollment fee should be paid to the enrollment account. You will find out about the fees for students' ID or tuition after you submit your documents, in the second stage of recruitment. The selected programs must be paid for no later than the last day of the application period. The payment will be credited to your account within a few working days of the transfer, and a green box with the status, Paid, will appear next to the selected program. Candidates taking the entrance exam are required to pay a fee of 100 Polish zlotys in the IRK system for each selected program of study. After you have entered all the data, check your account again and make sure you have entered all information correctly. If so, await the results. Information about qualifications will appear in your IRK account in the Enrollment Applications tab, next to your chosen major. If you have met the requirements and have been qualified for a particular field of study, your qualification status will change to Qualified. It means that you can proceed with the second stage of recruitment, submitting a set of documents in person. If you have not met the eligibility requirements, the status will be Unqualified. Check out the information for the unqualified candidates, which we will post in the news on IRK. We wish you good luck, and hopefully, see you on campus.